Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see about ultimate stylish Android launcher setup like this. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. Download the Highland launcher from the Play Store, and you can just get this super minimal look theme. In the top you can find the date and calendar and Google search widget on the top, followed by a natural wallpaper with a super gradient or a colorful icon pack. The second page also follows the same colorful icon pack. So if you are just searching for the app drawer, you just need to swipe just up. And you can find our application followed by the same color themed icon pack, which is have a detailed design. To get this theme, click on the theme on your setting, just swipe down and you can find this theme exactly on the theme number 25. Just apply the theme, you can get this exact theme setup. And you have other more options like app driver settings and a lot of customization. And I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day ever.